What is a ticket management system, and why do schools need them? Have you ever played a game of telephone? It's fun, but messages can get mixed up. Schools are busy places with lots of people and requests. A ticket management system, or TMS, is like a digital message board. It helps schools keep track of all the requests and make sure everyone gets help quickly. No more lost messages. Without a TMS, things can get lost in the shuffle. A TMS keeps everything organized and everyone informed. This makes life easier for teachers, staff, and students. Setting up your Google Sheets. TMS, it's like making a digital bulletin board. Google Sheets is a free tool that's like a giant spreadsheet. It's perfect for creating our TMS. First, we give our sheet a name. Let's call it School Help Desk. Next, we add tabs at the bottom for different departments like IT support or library. Now our digital bulletin board is ready for messages. Organizing your tickets. Columns are your best friends. Imagine our sheet is like a table. We need columns to keep things tidy. Here are some important columns. Ticket ID, like a number tag for each request. Department shows where the request goes, for example, IT support. Description explains the problem or request clearly. Status tells us if the request is new, in progress, or completed. Priority. Is it an urgent problem, high, or something that can wait, low? Date. When did the request come in? Sharing is caring, but safety first. Now we need to share our TMS with the school staff. But we want to keep information safe. Google Sheets lets us choose who can see and edit our sheet. We'll make sure each department can only see their own requests. That way, everyone gets the help they need without seeing information that's not for them. Formulas are like special codes that make our TMS smart. They are the backbone of our task management system, enabling us to streamline processes and enhance productivity. By using formulas, we can automate repetitive tasks, reduce human error, and ensure that our data is always up to date. They help us automate tasks and find information quickly. Imagine having to manually update each task or ticket. It would be time-consuming and prone to mistakes. With formulas, we can set rules that automatically update our data, saving us valuable time and effort. We can use the IF function to automatically change the status of a ticket based on other cells. This function acts like a decision maker within our spreadsheet, allowing us to set conditions and outcomes. For example, if a task is marked as completed, the status can automatically change to closed. For example, if the date is older than 3 days, the status could automatically change to high priority. This ensures that no task is overlooked and that urgent matters are addressed promptly. Conditional formatting can also be applied to highlight these changes, making it visually easier to track. The filter function helps us find specific tickets quickly. By setting criteria, we can narrow down our data to only show what is relevant. This is particularly useful when dealing with large data sets, as it allows us to focus on the most important information without getting lost in the details. For instance, we can use it to see all the new tickets in the IT support department. This way, the IT team can prioritize their workload and address new issues as they arise, ensuring a more efficient and responsive support system. And the import range function lets us bring in information from other spreadsheets. This is incredibly useful for consolidating data from different sources, allowing us to have a comprehensive view of all our information in one place. This is really helpful if different departments have their own request lists. By using import range, we can create a master sheet that pulls in data from each department, making it easier to manage and analyze requests across the organization. Don't worry, formulas might sound tricky, but they are like puzzles that are fun to solve. Each formula is a piece of the puzzle, and when put together correctly, they create a powerful tool that can transform the way we work. With a bit of practice and experimentation, anyone can master these formulas and unlock the full potential of their TMS. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn, from online tutorials to community forums. Don't hesitate to seek out these resources and take the time to practice. The more you use formulas, the more comfortable you'll become, and soon you'll be creating complex automated systems with ease. Collaboration is also key. Share your knowledge with your team and work together to develop best practices. By leveraging the collective expertise of your team, you can create a more efficient and effective TMS that benefits everyone. In the end, the goal is to make your TMS work for you, not the other way around. With the right formulas and a bit of creativity, you can create a system that not only meets your needs, but also enhances your productivity and makes your work more enjoyable. So dive in, experiment, and see what amazing things you can achieve with your TMS. GPT, my AI assistant, helping me build a super TMS. Building a TMS can be lots of work. Luckily, I have a helper called GPT. GPT is an AI, which means it's like a super smart computer program. I can ask GPT for help with writing formulas or even give me ideas for new features. GPT is like having a friend who's really good at spreadsheets. Our TMS has been a big help at our school. Here are some examples of how it has transformed our daily operations and made life easier for everyone involved. Faster tech support. When a computer breaks down, teachers can submit a ticket to the IT department. This system allows teachers to quickly report issues without having to leave their classrooms or make phone calls. The IT team sees it right away and can fix the problem quickly. This means less downtime for teachers and students, ensuring that classes can continue without major interruptions. The efficiency of the TMS helps the IT team prioritize and manage their workload effectively. Organized book requests. Students can use the TMS to request books from the library. This feature is particularly useful for students who are working on projects or need specific resources for their studies. The librarian can then prepare the books in advance, so students don't have to wait. This streamlined process not only saves time, but also ensures that students have access to the materials they need when they need them. It also helps the librarian keep track of book requests and manage the library's inventory more efficiently. Tracking maintenance issues. If a light bulb is broken, anyone can submit a ticket to the maintenance department. This feature empowers students, teachers and staff to report issues as soon as they notice them, ensuring that problems are addressed promptly. This helps keep our school safe and in good shape. Regular maintenance is crucial for creating a conducive learning environment, and the TMS makes it easier to keep track of and resolve maintenance issues. The system also allows the maintenance team to schedule and prioritize their tasks efficiently. Our TMS makes everything run more smoothly. From tech support to library management and maintenance, the TMS has proven to be an invaluable tool in enhancing the overall efficiency of our school operations. It not only saves time, but also improves communication and coordination among different departments. The positive impact of the TMS is evident in the satisfaction of students, teachers and staff, who all benefit from a more organized and responsive school environment. By integrating technology into our daily routines, we are able to focus more on what truly matters, providing a high-quality education and fostering a supportive community for everyone. Build your own TMS step-by-step guide. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating your very own ticket management system using Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a school help desk or any other type of support system, this guide will make it simple and straightforward. Ready to make your own TMS? It's easy. With just a few steps, you'll have a fully functional system that can help you manage and track support tickets efficiently. Let's get started. Open Google Sheets. Go to Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one first. Google Sheets is a powerful tool that allows you to organize data and collaborate with others in real time. Name your sheet. Give your sheet a name like School Help Desk. This will help you easily identify it among your other documents. A clear and descriptive name is essential for keeping your files organized. Create tabs. Add tabs at the bottom for different departments. For example, you might have tabs for IT, maintenance, and administration. This will help you categorize and manage tickets more effectively. Add columns. Create columns for ticket ID, department, description, status, priority, and date. These columns will help you keep track of all the important details for each ticket. You can also add other columns if needed, such as assign to or resolution date. Share your sheet. Share the sheet with the appropriate staff members, ensuring you set the correct sharing permissions. You can choose to give them view-only access or editing rights, depending on their role. Collaboration is key to a successful TMS. Start using your TMS, spread the word and start submitting those tickets. You did it! You're a TMS superstar. Encourage your team to use the system regularly and provide feedback to improve it. With your new TMS, managing support tickets will be a breeze. Congratulations on taking this important step towards better organization and efficiency. Congratulations on your new TMS adventure! Creating a TMS might seem like a big task, but it's like building with Lego. You start with small steps and before you know it, you have something amazing. Your TMS will help your school run more efficiently and make everyone's lives a little bit easier. Now go forth and organize.